Page 200, number 8. This is solving equation or solving systems, review number 1, part 2. So page 200, number 8. That's number 6. Number 8. Write an equation in function notation for each relation. So number 8. I have to find the equation first. In equation, I have to find slope and y-intercept. So my y-intercept is 2. My slope is up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. You could have used 2 points, but you don't have to. So my equation is y equals 1 over 4x plus 2. So if they want function notation, I would just put f of x equals 1 over 4x plus 2. That is function notation. That is it. Page 206, number 42. Write an equation for the nth term of each arithmetic sequence. So I have 28, 25, 22, 19, ... If I need to find the nth term, the equation, I need to find the equation first. So these are my values, and I need to find my terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my x values, these are my y's, and I'm going to go ahead and use 2 points. 25 minus 28 over 2 minus 1. This would be negative 3 over 1, which is negative 3. So my slope is negative 3. That's also called my common difference. So y minus 28 equals negative 3x minus 1. Y minus 28 equals negative 3x plus 3 plus 28 plus 28. Y equals negative 3x plus 31. That is my equation. If I need to find the nth term, I just put a sub n equals negative 3n plus 31. That's it. Page 160, number 27. Graph each equation using the x and y intercepts. Graph each equation using x and y intercepts. Here we go. So x minus y equals negative 3. I need to graph the equation using x and y intercepts. In order to find my intercepts, I need to plug in zeros for each. So if I plug in 0 for x, if I divide by negative 1, y equals 3. If I plug in 0 for y, my 0 goes away, x equals negative 3. If I graph this, y is at 3, x is at negative 3. There is my graph. Page 245, number 59. LaTanya and her friends rented a canoe for 3 hours and paid a total of $45. Write a linear equation to find the total cost C of renting the canoe for H hours. How much would it cost to rent the canoe for 8 hours? So here we go. It says, to the right, canoe rentals, daily rate is $10 per, or daily rate plus $10 per hour. So I need y equals mx plus b. So this would have to be my daily rate. So I have to find my daily rate plus 10 per hour. I apologize. My m is per hour, so my slope is 10, and my x would have to be hours because it's per hours. That's my slope. And then my b has to be daily rate. So I need to reread and see if they give me a daily rate. It says Latanya and her friends rented a canoe for 3 hours and paid a total of $45. So it doesn't say how much they paid for the day. It says write a linear equation to find the total cost C. So my C is my cost, renting the canoe for H hours. My slope is 10. My H becomes my X plus my daily rate, my B. I don't know what my B is. They gave me 3 hours and 45, a total of 45. So they actually give us a point. And what I mean by that is 3 represents my X, Y represents my 45. And that is because this represents my money, this represents my hours. So for 3 hours, I had 45. So they really give me a point. And I know my slope, so I'm going to use point slope to find my equation. Y minus 45 equals 10, x minus 3. Y minus 45 equals 10x minus 30. Add 45, y equals 10x plus 15. And now I have my equation. C equals 10H plus 15. So they have to pay $15 and then $10 per hour. Letter B says, how much will it cost to rent the canoe for 8 hours? So I need to plug in 8 for H. That would give me 80 plus 15. That would give me, my cost would be $95. So they tricked us slightly because they never gave us the y-intercept. They never gave us where we started. They gave me 3 hours for $45. So I had to use that as a point. Now what I need to do is I asked you guys to graph this. So now we're going to go ahead and graph this. So my equation is C equals 10H plus 15. So my C stands for cost. My H stands for hours. Okay? So I need to be at 15, and then I'm going to go up 10 over 5 each time. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to count by 5 right off the bat. That will cover everything in which I need. So on and so forth. My hours, I just need to count by 1. So on and so forth. So my y-intercept is at 15. And I have to go up 10 over 1. So up 10 would be 25 over 1. Up 10 over 1, up 10 over 1, up 10 over 1, up 10 over 1, up 10 over 1. There is my equation graphed. And I am done with part 2.